Welcome to this video on asking and answering about the weather. Understanding how to discuss the weather is essential, especially in English-speaking countries where it often serves as a friendly conversation starter. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to ask about the weather. A simple and effective way to start is by saying, "What's the weather like today?" This question is straightforward and invites the other person to share their observations. You can also ask, "Is it going to rain today?" Or do you think it will be sunny later? These questions show your interest in the weather and can lead to a more extended conversation. If you want to be a bit more specific, you can ask about the temperature. For example, how warm is it outside? Or what's the temperature right now? These types of questions can help you gauge how to dress or plan your day. Now, let's move on to answering these questions. If someone asks you about the weather, you might respond with, "It's sunny and warm today," or "It looks like it might rain later." You can also add details like, "It's about 75 degrees, which is perfect for a walk." Providing extra information makes your response more engaging and informative. Another common way to respond is by expressing your feelings about the weather. For instance, you could say, "I love sunny days like this," or "I'm not a fan of the cold." Sharing your personal feelings can help build a connection with the person you're talking to. If you're discussing the weather forecast, you might say, "I heard it's going to be cloudy tomorrow," or "They're predicting a storm this weekend." This shows that you're keeping up with the weather and can lead to discussions about plans or activities. Remember, the weather can change quickly, so it's always good to stay updated. You can check a weather app or listen to a weather report. This way, you can ask and answer questions with confidence. In summary, asking and answering about the weather is a great way to engage in conversation. Use simple questions like, "What's the weather like?" and provide detailed answers that include temperature and your feelings. This not only makes the conversation more interesting, but also helps you connect with others. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation, don't hesitate to bring up the weather. It's a universal topic that everyone can relate to,